You put 400 things in water the night before.
400 grams of beans.
Big beans. Then you take them out. You rinse them a little bit. Very little water, just to cover them, and you boil them for 3-4 minutes to get all the dirt away. So okay, in the meantime, you warm up some water.
For what?
Just to, when this starts boiling a little bit, 5 minutes, you throw it out and then you put it in your pan and you cover it with hot water, which you're already boiling. So in the meantime, you cut your carrots, 3 carrots, big onion, roughly chopped, chopped, and a bunch of celery or celeriac, whatever you have, not too much here. Okay, this is the greens. You have a ready concentrated tomato, and you also take some paprika, some sweet paprika, not too hot. Paprika, salt, and pepper. Ready. Okay, so we'll wait. So when you start now?
No, already quite some time.
Okay, so you take away the froth, boil it for 1-2 minutes, and this is all warm. So you take this and you here, you throw it in your pan, your pressure. You could leave it in your, I can do it with the pressure cooker or in a pan, normal pan.
What is the time difference?
1.5 hours.
Okay, so this takes in the pressure cooker how long?
About 45 minutes.
Okay.
So you put your vegetables in here. Vegetables in here. Put your hot water in. Water. You add 1/2 spoon, big spoon of tomato, concentrated tomato, and it goes.
So the whole thing, how many grams is it?
70 grams. 70 grams. You add pepper. quite a bit of pepper, nice peppery. Salt. A ladle of good extra virgin olive oil, and quite a bit of paprika. Stir.
And leave it for 45 minutes.
Yeah.
That's it, isn't it? Hmm? No. It looks good. So do you eat it with?
Then add oil, lemon if you want, and you dip bread inside, and as a side dish you can have tarama. You can have herring, olives, and onion, raw onion. We can put it also in here.
Oh yes, I forgot about the onion. Okay, so kaliorexi. Pokud se vám moje videa z Korfu líbí a chtěli byste na ně dostávat upozornění vždycky, když vyjde nějaké nové, tak přímo tady pod tím videem stačí zmáčknout červený nápis subscribe nebo česky odebírat. Děkuji.